In Redington Beach, coastal living isn't just a lifestyle, it's an art form. Homes here capture the essence of seaside charm, with airy interiors, sunlit spaces, and breathtaking views of Florida's Gulf Coast. When it comes to maintaining that signature coastal beauty, your windows play a key role. From the way they frame ocean views to how they protect your home from coastal weather, the right window design can elevate both the look and performance of your property. That's where custom window solutions come in, offering a perfect blend of style, durability, and efficiency designed specifically for Redington Beach's coastal architecture. Here's how custom windows can enhance your home's beauty while standing up to the unique challenges of coastal living. Designed to complement coastal architecture is known for its open layouts, natural light, and airy elegance. Custom windows allow you to bring these features to life by tailoring every detail, from shape and size to frame color and material, to match your home's design. Many Redington Beach homes showcase architectural styles like Key West-inspired cottages, Mediterranean villas, and modern beachfront retreats. Each of these designs benefits from different window styles: casement and awning windows for homes that need optimal ventilation and uninterrupted views, picture windows for framing ocean vistas and letting in expansive light, sliding and double-hung windows for classic, functional elegance with a coastal touch, bay or bow windows to create inviting alcoves that capture panoramic seaside scenery. Custom window solutions ensure that every feature, from the trim details to the glass type, complements your home's architectural personality. Materials built for coastal durability. Living near the water means your windows face salt air, humidity, and strong coastal winds. Over time, standard materials can corrode or warp under these conditions. That's why choosing weather-resistant materials is crucial for Redington Beach homeowners. Custom windows can be crafted from materials specifically designed for coastal environments, such as vinyl and fiberglass frames, which resist corrosion and moisture. Aluminum-clad exteriors, offering strength and salt-resistant performance. Impact-resistant glass, which protects against flying debris during storms. These durable materials not only preserve the look of your home but also extend the lifespan of your windows, giving you lasting protection and peace of mind. Impact-resistant and energy-efficient glass. In a coastal community like Redington Beach, homes must balance beauty with safety. Custom windows can be equipped with impact-resistant glass that meets Florida's stringent hurricane codes. This glass is engineered to withstand high winds and debris without shattering, protecting your home and maintaining security. In addition to storm protection, custom windows can also improve your home's energy efficiency. Options like low-E coatings, argon gas insulation, and multi-pane glass help reflect heat while maintaining natural light, keeping your home cooler and reducing energy costs during Florida's warm summers. By combining safety and efficiency, these custom solutions ensure your windows perform as beautifully as they look. Maximizing natural light and ocean views. One of the best things about living in Redington Beach is the abundance of natural light and scenic coastal views. Custom window designs can be tailored to maximize both light and visibility, creating interiors that feel open, refreshing, and seamlessly connected to the outdoors. Floor-to-ceiling windows, for example, make the most of your waterfront location, while strategically placed transoms or clearstory windows bring sunlight into hard-to-reach areas without compromising privacy. The result is a bright, cheerful home that celebrates everything coastal living is meant to be. Customization for style and function. With custom windows, you can go beyond standard options to choose finishes and details that truly express your style. Whether you prefer crisp white frames for a breezy beach cottage look, earthy tones to complement natural stone, or sleek black trim for modern contrast, customization ensures every element feels intentional and cohesive. Hardware choices, grille patterns, and even tinted glass can all be tailored to create the perfect balance of form and function. You'll have complete control over how your windows contribute to your home's personality. Professional installation for lasting results. No matter how well designed your windows are, professional installation is essential to ensuring long-term performance. Local Redington Beach professionals understand the area's climate and building requirements and use precise techniques to seal and secure each window properly. Proper installation prevents air leaks, salt intrusion, and water damage, allowing your new windows to maintain their efficiency and structural integrity for years to come. Final thoughts. In Redington Beach, where architectural beauty meets coastal resilience, your windows are more than just functional features, they're an expression of your home's identity. With custom window solutions, you can achieve the perfect balance between design, durability, and energy efficiency. Whether you're framing ocean views, enhancing curb appeal, or protecting your home from the elements, professionally installed, custom-made windows will elevate your coastal living experience. Bring the beauty of Redington Beach indoors, one custom window at a time.